Now iris are beautiful, they really are, but the tall flag iris that flowers in early summer, I mean a bed of those looks beautiful, but not everybody's got a space for them or the time to actually wait and do all that's necessary with them. But what about the dwarf ones? Iris reticulata. I looked up on the net what reticulata meant. It means golden net. It's news to me as well. But that's what they like, tiny little bulbs like that. But that little bulb is going to be the most vibrant thing in the springtime in your garden. I promise you, if you planted that 30 feet away, your eyes would automatically go to it. Now, pointed end up, that's all you have to do. And a few crocks in the bottom, pebbles, polyballs, anything you like can go in there. Multi-purpose compost. It's nothing special. All that's going to happen is those bulbs are going to swell up. They're going to get bigger and bigger, and then a beautiful flower is coming out. Usually in shades of blue, purple, but really, really vibrant, so it actually stands out in the garden. Today I'm planting Iris Reticulata Pixie, and it's from Parker's, a really good quality bulb. It's a beautiful violet blue with each of the petals marked with a golden, yellow and white. Really does brighten up the garden in February and March. You won't be disappointed with this. Grows to about 8 to 10 centimetres. A wonderful flower. Now don't forget, pointed end up. You can get quite a lot here. This is a bag of about 50 that go in there, and all you've got to do is place them around there. Don't forget they're going to swell up, so don't pack them in together. We'll probably put about 25 in here, because every one, if you plant them with a bit of space, every one is going to flower. And they're going to stand out and be beautiful on a patio, because not everybody's got a big garden. On a patio or on a balcony, in a backyard, just on a table outside. They look absolutely stunning. And springs, when you've done something like this, just for yourself, spring's worth looking forward to. They put the little green heads out of the ground and you think, oh, I've forgotten about them. And up they come. And be careful though, because you could get hooked on doing this. This is the thing to go for. So it's a dismal time of year, but it's nice and warm inside this shed. And that's all you have to do. They'll grow quite happily there. I just top it off with another layer of compost. It really couldn't be easier. This is all you have to do. If you do this, you'll have success every time. Just tamp it down, get the air pockets out, cover it over. Now what I do is I put a layer of gravel on the top. This stops the squirrels and the birds pecking away and dropping weed seeds on. A layer of gravel. Now I'm going to take that outside, give it a good soak, and for the rest of the bulbs, they're into the border. This is just the spot because they stand out. They are really marvellous, like searchlight plants really. Beautiful colours, and it couldn't be easier really. You don't even need a trowel. 3 times the depth, a little row. There's just a spot here that'll do perfectly. Just pop them in, pointed end up. As many as you like, because they'll come up, and they really are good doers, as they're called. They come up time after time with no problem at all. So you don't have to do anything over much. Still got even more. There's tates in here, there's tulips down there. I've planted that many, I can't tell you. But it's going to be a riot of colour. In the spring, early summer, this is going to look fine.